I think this Olympiad team gold and individual gold both, I think I'll top it on first on the list, because others are important, but this one, it's incomparable just.
When the going got tough and the pressure mounted, in star-studded boot, Vantika Agrawal stepped up and ensured the chess Olympiad title for the Indian women's team was secured, and the significance of the win is quite evident on Vantika's face.
I think the feeling has still not sunk in and didn't even get much time to relax or rest. Even I think from last 2-3 days I haven't even slept. So that particular night, I think I slept only for 1 hour. So I started playing chess at 7.5 years of age. So then at that time we used to go to a zero. There was a zero period in our school, so everyone had to choose some sport. So me and my brother Vishesh, we both chose chess, and we were so attracted to the game. And then, but when I was introduced to chess, I told my mom that okay, I want to leave everything else and just focus on chess. And I think the medals and the prizes that I won, it also kept motivating me, because the first tournament itself I played, I won some prize, and then every tournament I played, I kept winning some or the other prize. So I just was motivated, and then I kept working harder and harder. Yeah, I think her support has been immense. She has always been there for me, and she actually left her career for me. So she has been traveling, not just almost all, it's all. So every tournament basically I've been, she's there for me. She cooks food for me. She's like there, everything she's managing, my clothes and all. She'll be ironing some clothes, and when I'm feeling stressful, tense, she'll talk to me, trying to make me relax or something. And even I think in Budapest last few days it was so stressful, but she was there for me, and if I couldn't sleep, she will be awake the whole night so that I can sleep. So I can't even express in words like how her support has been for me. So I think we didn't prepare much beforehand, but before every round, we had our team of seconds who will be helping with the opening preparation. We had 2 seconds, Swans Mishra and Arjun Kalyan, and our team captain. So they'll be like just before the game itself, we'll be discussing the strategies, how to approach the game, and what opening to choose and all. I played against Kazakhstan. I think that game which I won was important. Against Georgia, my win was pretty crucial. We won 3-1 there. Then Poland, I was winning, but I was a bit disheartened that I couldn't make it happen. And then against USA, I won on board 3 against Croatia. And I think I'd saved that day, because if we couldn't have hold the draw that day, like I won and the team drew, so I think I could have slipped from our hands completely. So I think that was pretty important for us, and even I think last year also I scored against Azerbaijan. So I think I played pretty well, and I'm happy that I could score when the team needed me the most. The team camaraderie was pretty good. We had these 3 youngsters, me, Divya, Vaishali, and 2 a bit older, but of course we all were had a very good bonding. And actually I like team tournaments a bit more, because we are not just playing for individually, we are playing for the country, and also when you have a team, you have like 4-5 players, you are talking to them, and you have a lot of fun also. So I personally prefer team tournaments.